Hi, I'm Jane. I love to garden. I live in Utah up against the Wasatch Mountains. Today, I'm going to show you my roses that I took from cuttings. And they're looking a little sad even though they've been in... I took them in fall and they rooted and they look pretty good, but now they're starting to get some weird coloring. So what I think I'm going to try to do is shoot them with a little bit of fish fertilizer and see if it helps. So let's turn this around and I'll show you what I'm doing. So here are the rose cuttings. This one looks okay. I've actually had them outside in this pot for about a month already. Do you guys think that's what it needs? I hope so. And then there's this one. Look behind. Weigella's blooming. Gorgeous mountains. Oh, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Impromptu tour here. Things are starting to bloom. Isn't that pretty? That one's called Pink Peace. This light pink is so pretty. I got distracted by my flowers. So I'm going to, there's not very much left in here. I'm just going to fill it with water. And I am going to feed these rose cuttings, because if I don't give them something, look at that new growth. That looks pretty good. Okay, I need to feed these. Let me fill this with water, and all I'm going to do is dump it on the top. Okay, come on in here. I have some fish fertilizer. Honestly, probably that much left of it. And I'm just going to shake it up. I put some water in it. This stuff stinks, especially if it's inside. So, we're just going to feed these babies. That's all I'm doing. So I hope it works. If you have any tips on how to take care of rose cuttings, let me know in the comments. See you later. So I'm actually going to water it in pretty good too, because I don't want the cats to go through the fish fertilizer.